Hello and good evening, everyone. My name is Rahul Rao, and today we are going to understand the role of microfinance in economic sustainability with the help of this presentation. So let us start. So let us start with the basics. First of all, sustainable development. So according to the Brundtland report, sustainable development refers to development that meets and needs of the present without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own. It simply refers that the present should not be compromised for the future generation, and while it should not hamper the needs of the present. And microfinance, which refers to the financial services such as small loans, saving facilities, and micro insurance, which is primarily provided to the low income individuals. And the persons who don't have access to traditional banking, the microfinance plays a crucial role in their life. And third, why it matters. So microfinance is important because it promotes inclusive and long-term growth by widening access to capital to the needful peoples. And rather than depending on the temporary financial aid, like people take some borrowing from the local lenders. So this plays a very crucial role to ensure that they should be financially stable. So let us know more about the microfinance and sustainable development. The microfinance plays a very important role in sustainable development in several ways. First of all, it improves access to financial resources to undiverse population, which we can say the rural public, which enables them to start or expand the small business, which ultimately contributes to the growth of our economy. And it also encourages entrepreneurship and self-employment opportunities, especially in rural areas. And it also strengthens the local economies through financial inclusion and reduce dependency on informal money lenders who often charge very high interest rate and make them financially weak. So overall, microfinance create a more stable and inclusive economic environment for the rural public. Three pillars of sustainability. The sustainability is based on the major pillars like economic sustainability, social sustainability, and environmental sustainability. So let us go with economic sustainability, which focuses on long-term growth and productive investments. This is known as economic sustainability. Second is social sustainability, which emphasize equality, inclusion, and improved living of standard, especially for the economically backward class of our society. And third is environmental sustainability, which involves responsible use of resources and resilience to environmental changes to make sure that the environment and our planet should not be hampered. So the microfinance is mainly contribute to economic social sustainability, which provide indirect environmental benefit through green financing in initiatives, which ensures that the environmental has some investment soul. So now let us focus on the core role of microfinance in economic sustainability. First is income generation. The microloan help individual start small businesses or income generating activities which improves their household earnings. Second is asset creation. The borrower often invests in productive asset such as equipment, livestock or inventory, which increases their long-term financial stability. And third is financial resilience. Access to saving and microfinance help household to manage unexpected financial shocks such as health crisis, crop failures, or any emergency. And fourth is entrepreneurship development, where small loans and training program ultimately increase business survival rates and economic productivity. Microfinance also creates strong social impact that supports the economic sustainability. So let us understand with the help of this slide. First of all, it contributes to poverty reduction by improving income level and consumption capacity. It also promotes women empowerment since a large percentage of microfinance borrowers are women especially through self-help group. So in this way, it enhance financial inclusion by bringing unbanked individuals into formal financial system, helping them to build credit histories and access future financial opportunities. For example, India's self-help group movement has significantly improved household welfare and social capital in the rural areas of our country. So in this way, the social impact also supports the economic sustainability. The microfinance also support green livelihoods such as organic farming, renewable energies like solar farming, and which ultimately helps communities to recover from climatic shocks such as tsunami, drought, earthquake. So in this way, the environmental contribution takes place. One of the most important example and the successful example of microfinance is the self-help group or SHG model. In this model, small groups or individuals pool their savings and provide loan to each other. These groups are also linked with banks for additional financial support. The outcome include provide saving habit, increase female participation in economic activities, and higher investment in micro enterprises. So let us know about the benefits for economic sustainability. Microfinance contribute to economic sustainability in multiple ways. It creates employment opportunities, it supports rural development, and it reduces economic inequality by providing financial access to marginalized population. It also generates local multiplier effect, where increased household income lead to more spending and economic activity within the community of the rural areas. Despite its benefit, microfinance faces several challenges. So let us know about them. These include high interest rate in some cases. As this is not particularly regulated, the risk over indebtedness, regulatory gaps, and difficulties in reaching remote population always takes place. However, there are strong future opportunities, which is known as digital microfinance, fintech integration in the rural areas, and targeted government programs can significantly expand outreach and efficiently help the backward class of the economy to grow. So, in conclusion, microfinance, when responsibly delivered and properly regulated, can be a powerful tool for the long term economic sustainable and growth for the economy. Thank you for your time, sir. That's all from my side.